Okay, the video today is going to start with, and I just knocked it out of focus by doing that. There we go. The great start to the video, Craig. The video today, as you will have noticed, the last 2 days there has been no vlog upload. The reason for that is not for lack of creativity, not for the fact that the company has kind of went stagnant. It has not. It's not of a lack of things to do as such. And it's not because I've not been filming. I've been filming the last 2 days, 3 days, and just the main reasons I haven't uploaded is that the narratives aren't there when I've went to edit them, and I don't exactly know how to get that narrative in there. So the narratives are possibly the biggest bugbear of the vlogs for me. I have a style, you will have seen it in the videos, the people that do watch this. I will probably lose subscribers from this, and I don't blame you, but I would be pleased and appreciate if you stayed to follow me with the journey, because by all means the vlog is not stopping. I just wanted to make clear, I've made this video probably 3 times on the channel already explaining stuff, and it's probably getting quite old, and that's why I'll probably lose subscribers, lose people following me. However, the vlog will be continuing. It will be 3 days, or 3 uploads a week. That way I can pick the best parts of things, I can add them all together, make engaging content, and focus on that narrative. With daily vlogging and my job at the moment is part-time. It means that I'm working 4 days out of 7, and usually working 9 till 6. It means that by the time I get home it's 6:30. By the time I have my dinner it's about 7:15. And that leaves five hours at most for me to find things to do, and then end the vlog after those 5 hours, and then do a rough edit, wake up in the morning, finish off that edit, polish that edit, and then upload it for use for that night. It is not something that I have an issue with. I quite enjoy it. I end up engrossed and continue to edit. I work on minimal sleep quite well, which is going to be a contradictory point in this. However, I feel that the narrative isn't there for the days that I have been filming. The closest one to a narrative was probably my aunt's 60th, and even then we were fraught with technical difficulties with this mic. And if you have been following my content, you know exactly what I mean by this. The mic has broken 2 times, and it has decided to stop recording audio probably in the region of 4 to 5 times. I don't know this until it's brought into post and I go to edit it, and there is no sound whatsoever. There is just white noise. But yeah, like I said, the vlogging will continue. It will be 3 days a week, or there will be content 3 times a week, depending on how things escalate, which they are escalating with the company. Depending on how the things escalate, the vlog may end up going back up to daily vlogs. A lot more work for me, but I'll enjoy it. I don't mind. The other thing I want to touch on is that if I am going travelling, which I have a fair amount of travelling planned in the next couple of months, this year, like I said at the start of setting up this channel, this year is going to be a year of travelling. So I am I have planned various different places. It has cost me a fair amount, but we're coping. I am living quite comfortably with spare cash. The vlog will be uploaded. If I'm travelling, it will be uploaded daily, as I will have lots of different things to do in those days. Another reason for the fact that I haven't uploaded a vlog is last night I went to see Infinity Wars. Don't worry, there's not going to be any spoilers here. I went to see Infinity Wars. It is undeniably an absolutely fantastic film, and I would thoroughly recommend it for anybody to watch. I am very fussy with my films, so coming from me, massive comment. You get what you expect with a Marvel film. You get an absolutely fantastic storyline. There is no bits where you're like, no, but what happened? How did he get there? What's this? What's that? They are all questions that will be answered or are answered, sort of thing. The whole script as a full is fantastic. The visual effects, amazing, can't fault them. But with me going to see that last night, I was up until 10 to 3 in the morning, which meant that I only have had about 5 hours sleep, because I tend to wake up at the same time every day. Alarmed or not, I wake up at about 7. So that's another reason for this vlog that was going to be today being very, very jaded and very, very slow, nothing really happening. All I done was go to the range. I then came back, attempted another video, and it didn't work due to materials being a bit off and probably my measurements as well being off. However, that idea has not been shelved fully. I will be refilming it as a ghetto rig rather than a cheaper alternative. I have ordered a better one so that we can do a comparison, see the difference between them. However, I am going to end this vlog here. I do have 2 days off at the weekend, so there will be stuff happening. There probably will be 2 vlogs consecutive for those. But I'll leave this video here. I apologise for doing the same sort of video again, and it's not going to become a thing. I am not making it become a thing. I know in the past I've done 3 or 4 of these videos. However, like I said, I've attempted to end this 4 times and got sidetracked. Like I said, I'm ending it here. So if you are subscribed, thank you for subscribing, and please don't unsubscribe. There will be more content, and it will be a lot better, a lot higher quality. If you are new to the videos, please don't take the last few vlogs as a staple of what is happening. It is improving, it will be improving. You can see from the very first videos that it's improving. But if you like my content, then please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below with a discussion point or whatever you want to say about this video, about the fact that, or comment on the fact that I've done this sort of video 4 or 5 times. I'm open to people roasting me. I'm not that fussed. And like or dislike the video, goes without saying, it's probably going to be a dislike. However, all of that being said, I'm ending it here. So until next time, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.